not going to. Right, let's have a look at a slightly harder question. This time we're given 3 points, -2, 10, 1, 1, and 7, y. So there's an unknown here, which presumably we're going to have to find. And sure enough, we're told that they lie on a straight line, and we're asked to find the value of y. Well, we're just going to use the fact that the gradients of AB and AC must be equal. So let's find those two things. Let's find the gradient of AB. Now, good idea to label up our points again as we did in the first question. Let's call A x1, y1. Let's call B x2, y2. And it's not a great stretch to call C x3, y3. Okay, or we could call it x2, y2 again if you really wanted to, but I've called it x3, y3. So the gradient of AB is, again, subtract the y's, 1 minus 10, and subtract the x's, 1 minus -2, making sure we've done it B minus A each time. And that is -9 on the top, and again we've got a minus minus, so 1 plus 2 is 3, and -9 over 3 is -3. Now what about the gradient of AC? That's the other thing we need to find. And so we can say, right, this time it's y3 minus y1, so that's y minus 10 over 7 minus -2. Not a lot I can do with the y minus 10, so we'll leave that as it is. But 7 take away -2 is 7 plus 2, which is 9. And we'll just leave it like that. Now, as I say, we're told that they lie on a straight line. So let's write down what we're going to use. So we can say straight line. That's not how you spell straight. That's how you spell straight. Straight line. So the gradient of AC equals the gradient of AB. And that gives me y minus 10 over 9 is equal to -3. And so how do we get rid of the fraction? We multiply both sides by 9 and get the green cancelling pen out. The 9's cancel on the left, and that gives me y minus 10 is equal to -27. And then to get the y on its own, we add 10 to both sides, like so, and we get y equals -17. And that is that.